2007 Claas 360 round baler for sale in Dayton, Virginia, 22821. This is a great roto-cut round baler, 10,000 bales, net wrap, real nice shape. Call for more information. Engine and transmission. The John Deere 9500 model is equipped with a 6-cylinder diesel engine that is turbocharged and capable of 190 horsepower. John Deere increased the horsepower to 200 for the 1990 model year. In 1991, engine power was again increased and available at 2 levels, 215 horsepower for small grain harvesting and 235 horsepower for harvesting of larger crops, such as corn and rice. A 3-speed hydrostatic transmission is standard for all model years. Read more, http://wordhokum/list_76352667_John-Deere-9500-combine-SPECIFICATIONS HTML